The folding sickle stands out with its exceptional blend of high carbon and stainless steel, offering a versatile and durable tool for gardening, farming, and lawn maintenance. Measuring 385 millimeters in length and 28 millimeters in diameter, this sickle is designed for both efficiency and ease of use. Weighing in at just 275 grams, it strikes the perfect balance between lightweight portability and robust performance. Its high-carbon stainless steel blade is engineered for sharpness and longevity, making it ideal for cutting grass, weeds, and other vegetation with minimal effort. The folding feature enhances its portability, allowing you to easily store and transport the sickle without compromising safety. Whether you're managing a small garden or handling larger farming tasks, this tool ensures precision and ease, thanks to its ergonomic design and sharp, durable blade. The folding sickle excels in providing a clean, efficient cut, and its sturdy construction promises longevity even with regular use. It's a practical addition to any gardener's toolkit, combining advanced materials with thoughtful design to deliver top-notch performance and convenience. If you're looking for a high-quality sickle that's both effective and portable, this one is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.